I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain. But people don't know it's hard sometimes, and every day I do my best. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Cause every mountain I climb, I see the finish line. I was 15 when I started
Hi guys,
this road.
welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe. Click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a hair review. Without further ado, let's get to it.
My bags and left my
This is the packaging of the hair, and as you can see, it is from Shantish, and this is from Amazon Hair Store, and their slogan, Hair for Care. I'll go right ahead and open the package. It came with a stocking cap,
I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes, and every day I do.
Guys, this is a U-part wig.
Every mountain I climb, I see the finish line.
This is the cap construction. It has a comb at the back, an adjustable strap at the back, two clips on either side of the hair, and 3 combs around the U part. You want to make sure, guys, you cut away these elastic from the unit.
Gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes.
I'll go ahead and put the wig on. I'll make sure the combs are secured under my braids, and also the clips. I'll make sure the clips are closed so this unit ain't going nowhere, guys.
Keep your head to the sky, and then one of these mornings you'll shine, you'll shine, you'll shine. I gotta take the long road this time. I'm never giving up, I will climb every mountain, but people don't know it's hard sometimes. Every day I try. I'm counting on God to do the rest. Every mountain I climb, I see the finish line.
If your hair is natural, you have 2 options of blending your hair with the wig. You can use a flat iron and straighten your hair, or you can use the edge control or whatever gel you want to use and blend your hair with the wig.
You'll shine.
Gon' do this my way. Up running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but
I am going in with my spray bottle to spray the hair with some water.
Boy, you better stop. and chill. Before I start to spill, you build the bear. You acting like I was never there. Ain't no chick for you like I did. So you better stop playing with me before this turns out ugly. I ain't got time, I ain't got patience, but you gon' stop spreading those false news. Tell your little girl to calm down too, cause I want you, I want you. X for a reason, so last season you can have my second spot thing. Don't know what you got yourself into. Let's keep this real, never gonna find someone this real. So stay in check, I got a big ego, such a huge ego.
I am going in with the hedge control to blend my natural hair with the wig. This is definitely a gorgeous U-part unit. My only con, the con is not with the unit, guys. It is with my natural hair. I had problem blending my natural hair with the wig. I should have gone with the option of using the flat iron and straighten my hair and blend with the unit. I experienced no shedding, guys. It is not too thin and it's not too thick. It is 14 inches. The link to the unit is in the description, guys. If you're interested, you can go and check the unit out. As always, guys, I do appreciate you for watching. So leave your girl some love, like, share, subscribe, and all of those good stuff. Until next time, walk good.
Before this turns out ugly. Gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I held